Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really simple. Now if somebody came to me and told me that Miriam, I do not have much time, but give me something that will really help in making my skin healthy and give me a radiant looking skin, I would tell her just one thing, and that is curd. Fresh curd is really good. Curd is rich in lactic acid and AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid. Now what it does is it helps in slowly dissolving all this dead skin layer that is on your face, and it brings out all the healthier skin that has been underneath. So over time use of curd on your face every night will do nothing but give you a very nice evened out complexion. Your skin will have this amazing radiant glow and your complexion will improve day by day. All you need for this is 15 minutes before you go to sleep, take some fresh curd and apply it all over your face. Leave it on until it dries and wash it off. After that you can go ahead and do your skincare routine if you want to, and even if you don't do if you don't have a skincare routine, just apply curd and apply a moisturizer and go to sleep, and over time you will see how amazing your skin looks. And girls who have oily skin can also use this because curd will help in regulating the sebum production of your skin, which means that your skin will not find the need to produce extra oil and sebum, which in turn will cause acne. So all you have to do is, if you find homemade curd, even better because you've made it at home, you know what is there in that, but make sure to use fresh curd every night. And all you're going to do is just take a little bit of curd. You will not even need much, you will need very little of it. Take a little bit of curd and massage it into your skin and leave it on until it dries. I'm just warming up the curd because I forgot to take it out from the fridge and it's really cold, and Bangalore also is like crazy cold. So all you have to do is just massage it on your face. You can also massage this on your neck if you have dark neck. You can use this anywhere on your skin, on your body, wherever you wish to. You see, it is that simple, that's all. Now doing this every day, and if you stay consistent, you will see your skin become really clear and glowy and radiant, and your complexion will improve. Everyone around you will start noticing, but consistency is the key. If you do this every night, do it just at night so that you can go to sleep and you're not out in the sun. So if you do this every night, you will love the results. You will love how your skin looks, and it's very simple. It hardly takes 15 minutes. You can do this just before bed too. And I'm just going to let this dry and then wash it off and be back. See, I just washed my face. It's that quick, and you can see the immediate results. Your skin will have amazing glow, and as you keep doing it, I promise you will not need to use anything on your face, just moisturizer, and your skin will look so amazing. So do it. Like I said again, consistency is the key. You can still use your other mask, you can still do this because it's all natural. It's just curd, there's no side effect at all. You can use this and go in with your skincare, or you can just simply leave this, and it doesn't get simpler than this. If you're still lazy to do this, then I can't do anything. Don't be lazy, do it. You will be amazed by the results. So I hope you guys, I have to make a mistake. So I hope you guys liked today's videos again. So I hope you guys liked today's video, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye. See, I told you, use curd.